How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your HyperX SoloCast microphone. So this will significantly improve your mic quality. Now, if you head over to the HyperX application, there's not actually much to edit. To actually improve your HyperX SoloCast microphone, you want to click on your Windows icon and then click Setting. And basically inside this page, you then want to navigate through the sound setting. So just click on System, click Sound, and then you will be able to see your HyperX SoloCast microphone right here. So just simply click on it to simply open up some additional settings on our microphone. And now to improve the quality of the microphone, head over to Format, and then you want to compare different presets right here. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting something like the 16-bit DVD quality. That will simply restart your microphone a bit. But of course, once again, you want to compare everything inside this specific hertz format. Now let's try the highest one, which is the 24-bit 192000 hertz studio quality. So as you can see, it's working properly. So you can now adjust the microphone accordingly inside the format options, and from there you are good to go. You also want to make sure that the audio enhancements is disabled right here. So you could try maybe using something like the voice clarity if you want to, but if that doesn't provide much success, then I suggest just turning it off. And then same thing with the voiced focus right here. And so with this one, hopefully you have improved your mic quality for your HyperX SoloCast. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.